divas, it's time to glitter up your day with Simonalisa.
We are going to the thrift store. I'm starting off the intro here, voiceover style. It was early. I had no time to get ready. I was so tired. You can tell. I look like a hot mess. We got the headphones in. Okay, now first. Oh, wow. Every time the first clip of me at the thrift store, I'm looking at it, it's like the cart's already full. I don't think you guys understand. It's serious, okay? You get in there, you're all focused. There's just no time to even grab a camera. Anyways, I looked through the bathing suits a little bit. We're looking at the tops now. Lots of ugly stuff, but some cute stuff, you know? We found this candy couture top. It's so cute. I love it so much. It also fits kind of like a dress. I tried it on like after and styled it, and I'm pretty sure I wore it out one day. It was so cute. So yeah, we're continuing to look through the tops. Here we got Old Garage. It's not that cute though. It's pilling also. Yeah, lots of Shein. So sad. Then I found this butterfly top, really pretty. I have been picking up a lot of butterfly pieces. I love butterflies, so I can't not. Now we're looking through the dresses, the summer dresses. I think we did find a few cute pieces here. I don't think I've shown any so far, but we will see them in a bit. I don't know, did I pick up a dress? I can't remember, you guys. This is like, you guys watching this, it's like the same. I'm having the same experience. Oh, that's a cute dress I didn't pick up. But I'm having the same experience. A lot of these pieces I'm seeing for the first time. See, that cart is full. Now, we're going to start looking through everything. Oh my god, this part is so exciting. But it's also overwhelming. Like, when you have all these pieces, you're like, oh, I cannot afford to buy all of these. Because the thrift store isn't even that affordable, you know? So you gotta put stuff back that you like, and it's just, ugh. Look at this skirt, guys. So cute. Except it doesn't have, like, the zipper. We're back. I just had a lunch and I made Thai milk tea. Yesterday I made homemade condensed milk for the first time because it's honestly pretty expensive. So I was like, okay, it's expensive, we don't have it at home, let me try making it. And it tastes pretty good. And it tastes pretty similar. I think it's almost a little bit sweeter than usual, maybe. Or just the taste is slightly different, and it might be because I used brown sugar for the recipe, and I think usually you would use just like normal white sugar. Let's get straight into the haul. This piece is so beautiful. I love the mix of like, there's some zebra print, some leopard print, purple. So me. I love it. And then these cozy lounge shorts. The brand is 725 Originals. Then we have this blazer. If you guys have seen some of my other videos, I've mentioned once or twice I'm looking for a job, and I'm trying to have like big girl job attire. So you're gonna see two business pieces in this haul. That's one of them. Then this top. This is so beautiful. It's like so simple, but it just checks all those boxes. I love that it's striped. I love the rhinestones. It's so fun. And if anyone's interested in the brand, that's the tag. Look at these. I feel like it's rare that I find a skirt that's already mini and that is so cute with like the contrast stitching and the designs on the back pocket. I love this. Then I got this Vera Wang top. I don't know how much this goes for. I'm assuming it's like on the lower end for pricing for Vera Wang. Then this Barbie Life in the Dream House Raquel-esque top. I just feel like how the texture looks of the sequins really reminds me of that. Okay, I think we actually have 3 business pieces in this haul. So this is one of them. It's a 0.0 button up. And it's just so beautiful. It kind of reminds me of Old Juicy in the early to mid 2000s. Something about, I don't know, maybe it's like the designing with the font. It just reminds me of that a little bit. Oh, this is cute. I don't really have denim jackets. I have like denim vests, but not like a long sleeve jacket. I just couldn't pass this up. This is beautiful. It's got these little rhinestones all around. And I like that it's cropped because I would wear it with like a long shirt. And I just feel like that is really nice, having like different lengths in the top part of your outfit. And then I honestly have 2 tank tops that look exactly like this. So now we're adding another one to the collection. I love purple, so I can't help myself. And then this little dress. It's from the brand Majora. I've thrifted a few of their pieces before. I feel like I like the brand. Like, I feel like the stuff they sell I gravitate towards, so that's a brand I guess I pick it up when I see it. And then these Rockin' Republic jeans, low rise, and they flare. Candy Couture top. Lately I've been finding a lot of Candy Couture. I found 2 pieces today. Licenza slip dress, a little going out sequin top, more sequins. This one feels like a good beach cover up. I feel like layering this over a bikini would be fun. Maybe it'd be a good Coachella piece. And then this dress, which ties in the back up here. This tank top. This is the 3rd business piece. It's a Casablanca kind of blazer situation. I don't have just a black blazer. Now I do, and I don't think I'll be buying more than one. I don't see why I would. I wouldn't want to wear a black blazer in the first place, but I'm thinking, okay, when I get a big girl job, maybe on some days I'll have really like a va-va-voom outfit, like spectacular, fabulous, but then maybe I'll need to tone it down with a black blazer. Then we have this Seductions lace cami. Just a normal black lace cami. I have a few. I'm not going to show you guys the entire haul. I have some pieces I got for like friends and family. But I got another Candy Couture top. This little sequin blue tank top. I love all the colors on here and the butterfly print. This is beautiful. This I kind of got it to just wear around the house and maybe on top of a bathing suit in the summertime. This feels like a unique but not unique piece to me. I don't know. It's from the Eco, I don't know how you pronounce it, but that brand. They're blue capris. They've got slight detailing on the pockets, back pockets. Not too noticeable. It's just their brand embroidered in the back. And then there's some rhinestones down here. And yeah, they're just like a really pretty pair of capris. Seductions dress. I need to stop buying dresses, honestly. My last few hauls, it was all too much. Too many dresses. Okay, then we have some bikinis. So we got, oh wait, this, okay. Is this right? Okay, I don't know. Something about this looks like it might not fit too well, which I'm a little worried about. I noticed in the store, it just doesn't look like it lays flat. So, I don't know. Wait, is it meant to be? No, wait, it's meant to be like that. Yeah, I don't know. It looks a little flawed, so we'll see. Then we have this pretty little yellow top. I'm pretty sure this top is reversible. We also got a good amount of bras. We got this little striped pink one, this red one with the slightest amount of lace trim at the top, and then this leopard print one with lace, pinky rhinestone lace one, purple lacy one, and a striped red one with black lace. Now, I found something very amazing in the shoe section. I found these Harley Davidson boots. Now, the only thing that is like flawed or missing or whatever on this boot, these 2 little button-on leather pieces, they're missing from the other boot. I was slightly looking around. I didn't look that much because by that point, it was towards the end of the thrift trip. I was getting tired, and I just had a feeling I was going to find them. I feel like whoever donated them without with the missing two.